I would recommend Pinnacle Dermatology to everyone just because me coming in for a really simple checkup that took 20 to 30 minutes it saved my life. I mean, I had a place on my back that I didn't even know was there, and Crystal has the knowledge and she really has the tools here to help her to be able to find those places and tell whether they're good or bad. And more than that, she really just has a good instinct. I initially didn't want to let her test that and biopsy that spot because it's scary, and I was actually pregnant at the time, and so I just didn't. It was my first experience and I didn't know if I wanted to do that or not, but she really, comforted me and told me that it was important for her to get that off, that she just had a bad feeling about it. And so that, to me, her having that knowledge and really knowing where her heart comes from and knowing why she's in this business, I would recommend her to anyone because it really can save your life. It can be a very simple trip that can make big changes.